Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk about the Boston Whaler 2018 15 Montauk 60th Anniversary Edition. Let's start with the brand new design, brand new profile of the boat. You've got the stainless steel insert on the rub rail, nice added feature to it. You've got the galvanized trailer that is included with the swing tongue. And again, the lines are much smoother, much sleeker looking in the new design. They really did a fantastic job with the new 60th Anniversary Edition. And as we move towards the back of the boat, you're going to see that the boat is powered with a Mercury 4-stroke. Horse, the GT series, plenty of horsepower for this boat. It's going to get it right out of the hole, right onto the plane very quickly. It does have the 3-step swim ladder in the back, stainless steel prop. And let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are up on board the 15 Montauk. Let's start with the back of the boat. You've got this set up very, very nicely for fishing. You do have non-skid on all the surfaces here. If you happen to stand up on the back of the boat, we've got the recessed rod holders, 2 there, and then you've got 2 and 2 for the rod. So you got a total of 6 rod holders in the back. And then we have the live well, very conveniently located right here. So set up very nicely for fishing. We do have the low profile rub rails here, the chrome plated stainless steel rub rails all throughout the boat, both port and helm side, forward and stern. And then we've got the reversible seat, so if you're fishing on the back of the boat, you can comfortably sit in the back right here with everything right in front of you, your bait and everything. And when you're driving the boat, just flip it back. And now you've got a comfortable helm seat. So it's the traditional Whaler steering wheel. You got the digital shifter, and it's plenty of room up here for I'm going to say at least a 9-inch GPS. You can put a Garmin or a Raymarine or a Simrad or whatever your favorite electronics are. Plenty of room to do that. You got the remote control. You got the stereo right here. You've got the Fusion stereo, which is one of the top of the line stereos with a couple of speakers right here for the captain. Little half windshield, and then you've got the bimini top. So if you don't want the sun, you've got full shade right here. If you're fishing, you can lay it down, get it out of the way for when you're fishing, so it'll do either way. As we move towards the bow, got 4 more rod holders in the bow. Then you've got a cooler combination, so it's a seat cooler combination for your beverages. Then you've got a sun pad up in the front. And then you've got your anchor locker underneath here. This is all non-skid, so if you are fishing and you don't want to use this, you can leave it back home, not use it, and you've got actual wide non-skid all the way around the bow. You get a real beefy running light and place to run your anchor line through. The 15 Montauk is a fantastic boat. We've got a lot of backwater that you can fish around here. You can get under a foot of water in this, no problem at all. Can you take it out into the Gulf? Nice day, sure you can take it out there, but pretty versatile boat. The new design is fantastic, so if you have any questions on it, my name is Bob Freeman. My number is 603-213-1194.